What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Total Wireless Earbuds I picked up at Walmart for 99 bucks. They're a pair of wireless earbuds with 28-hour playtime, 4 mics with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation for call quality. If you guys actually take a look at the box here, on the front it does say flawless call quality via 4 mics with noise reduction technology, and that is thanks to CVC 8.0 and the Qualcomm aptX chip on the inside of these earbuds. They have other things like Hear ID, personalized EQ. There is a Soundcore app that you can control the EQ settings with, apparently, according to the specifications. So we will check that out today. Did I mention 28 hours of playtime? 10 minutes equals 2 hours of playtime. That is pretty much the standard across the industry. Nonetheless, these look like a really nice pair of earbuds, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of them. Let's go ahead and get started. So what I love about Anker and Soundcore is the attention to detail when packaging up their products. We've got diamond coated drivers, whatever that means. I'm not quite sure what diamond coated drivers means, but according to Walmart's website, this does ensure superior, precise sound quality, so we will test that out. I do expect these to sound really good. This case is wireless charging compatible, so you should be able to sit down on top of a Qi wireless charger and charge it that way. 7 hours battery life, a 7-hour play time with the earbuds, and charge for 10 minutes, lasts for up to 2 hours. So we knew that already. I was actually at Walmart earlier this morning, and at the cash register, the lady said that they could not stop restocking these headphones, meaning they just kept selling out. Every time they would put one on the shelf, it would sell out. And case in point, here I am picking them up. I took the last one off the shelf. So let's go ahead and see what these bad boys sound like. Really excited here. This is a really premium package. There is just a piece of tape on the side that all you have to do is pull up on. That is what the charging case looks like. We'll set that off to the side just momentarily. So far, really premium feel. There's actually something about them that I really like that I will have to mention to you guys that I like about them. And if we just go ahead and remove this top tray, let me move the box off to the side here so I can show you this survey here. How do we sound? You sound great. Not as good as I hoped. So this is really cute. This is like, you know, sort of how you interact with the company, how the company interacts with you. So if you do really want to give them your feedback, they are listening. What's really nice is what else we get in the box are some user guides. A pair of earbuds as sophisticated as, say, these with CVC noise cancellation 8.0, and other features are going to require that you flip through this user guide. USB to micro USB. Oh, no, excuse me. This is a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. That is a really welcome addition. And last but not least, but most importantly, we get extra ear tips. So it looks like we get a small pair of extra ear tips and a medium pair and a large pair of ear tips. So right off the bat, what I really love about these headphones are the fact that they sort of have this matte finish around the earbuds themselves. So after having used the AirPods Pro and after having used the original AirPods for some few months now, I actually might get used to this matte sort of finish. These are going to be less susceptible to being dropped than the AirPods or the AirPods Pro, and that to me is actually a tremendous advantage. So we'll go ahead and go into Bluetooth here, and the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 should show up at the bottom of the phone, and of course it does. So we'll go ahead and we'll connect to the Liberty Air 2, and as you can see, just like that, they connect. The volume indicator came up on the screen letting us know that these headphones are in use. And if we just go ahead and click info, we can either disconnect or forget this device. We're not going to be doing either of that. One thing I did download was actually the Soundcore app. Like I was saying earlier, this does come with the Soundcore app. For now, let's go ahead and see what they sound like. Okay, so the verdict is in. I've listened to these for a few minutes now. I've listened to a little bit of rap, which is what I'm interested in. That's usually like my benchmark for telling if these headphones are good or not. So far, the audio quality is absolutely superb on them. Are they a worthy AirPods alternative? And the answer to that is absolutely positively. These are IPX5 water resistant. I am pretty sure the AirPods second generation or the AirPods first generation are not water resistant. I'm also going to go out on a limb and say that these have better sound quality, richer bass. Hey, the midtones are there. They sound great at the highest volume. And what also I really like is the fact that they sound pretty loud even at the lowest volume they can go. I think they are just absolutely a phenomenal pair of earbuds. They fit into the charge case nicely. Like I said, they have this matte sort of finish on the outside along the sort of edge of the earbud there. So it's not entirely glossy. So when you take these in and out of your head, you're not going to drop them. They're not going to slip out of your fingers, because after a while they do tend to pick up on the oils inside your ear, and you know, that's just part of being human. And you drop them. You drop the AirPods because they don't have a matte finish around the edge to make them easier to grip. You get a really nice charge case with LED indicator lights on the front. You can see that. You get LED indicator lights on the earbuds. I had no problems, you know, with the way these fit in my ears. They fit perfectly fine. They're lightweight. The drivers feel a little bit heavy, like they feel heavier than the AirPods and the AirPods Pros. Another thing I noticed was that the touch controls are actually on the side of the earbuds and not on the stem, which I have actually come accustomed to with the AirPods Pros. It just makes it a little bit easier to accidentally hang up a call or fast forward a song or what have you, or you know, skip a song. Maybe if you're just, case in point, I was putting these in my ear, I had a song playing, I was looking forward to that song, and it skipped to the next one because as I was adjusting it, I accidentally hit the skip button. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, first impressions and sound impressions of the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Total Wireless Earbuds I picked up at Walmart for 99 bucks, which makes them a big box good. My name is John. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see me review anything, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to go out to Walmart or Target or any type of retailer within means and pick up a product and review it for you guys. So if there's something that you think everybody would be interested in, like a pair of earbuds or maybe a case for your phone, or I don't know, maybe you want me to try out this really nice washing detergent or something like that, you know, let me know and I'll review it and do what I do, and we can go from there. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is John. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.